and jump through it already.
Yeah, dude, run and jump through it. Somebody, for real, go, go, go. Woo! Woo! That was my son, by the way. Everybody in this video, my son ran and did that shit. What up? He's getting it again. Woo! Woo! My kid right there. What up? Yes. He is all that is man. What up? Woo!
Oh, another one.
80 shot.
Another one.
Another you can put in, Maddie.
Uh-oh.
Here's the game of death, though. This could go anywhere, and we're sitting in a circle.
What?
It's K-Dog, C-Dog, J-Dog, anomaly,
I'm just like...
K-Dog,
I'm Cade. Puppy.
fuck. Here we go, though. This is it.
Fuck.
This could go anywhere. I'm gonna actually just pretend like it.
Oh, fuck, dude. It's gonna burn my feet.
Fuck, 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 fuck. Ow! Oh, shit! Oh, my fuck! How?
What happened?
My fucking thigh! What the shit? Y'all are evil motherfuckers. Every fucking single evil one of you.
I pointed at my own balls.
Ow!
That's the only one that got burned by almost Dana.
I'm glad that's so... The dog is totally drunk. He jumped up on the balcony. The dog has had too much to drink. He doesn't know what to do. He's stuck.
He's a cat.
He's so stuck. He's like, what the fuck? Get down. Get down, buddy. Get down, buddy. Come on. Don't you knock my beer over. Hey, that's my beer, you son of a bitch. Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
It's like, if you said I'm drinking, give me some more.
Oh yeah, well go ahead, drink the beer. Wait, no, all right, yeah, that's it. Okay, I have a couple of makeup items in my purse. Staniac by the Balm and Tarte Wonder something or whatever, and it's been a hit. Everybody fucking loves this shit. Like they're all like, oh, hook it up. They're like, give it to me more, yeah. And they're lighting fireworks. It's fucking amazing. But yeah, so the Balm, Staniac, and Tarte, whatever that is, it's what it is what it is.